Hey guys, it's Bryan. Welcome to Financial Fitness. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to review the Tumi Alpha 3 Continental 4-wheel carry-on and whether it's worth the price or not. Let's get right into it.
Okay, this pocket goes all the way down to the bottom. And then this other pocket here is for things that you would want to quickly reach to, that it's okay if it's on the outside. And then here's where you would put your initials if you feel like adding that. And then there's this unique locking mechanism for the zippers. So basically the lock, you can push it this way to unlock this set of zippers and then push it this way to unlock this set of zippers. Combination lock. But so with this pocket, this allows you to access the bag from the top. So if the luggage is sitting on the floor, you can access everything in here. It comes with a garment bag. And then there's several different pockets in here. There's a zipper pocket over here with a USB cable so that you can access and charge your accessories and phones and stuff through this USB on the side. So this basically will house like a power bank and maybe like a computer mouse or something like that. And then inside you can basically clip down a lot of other like clothes, and you can clip it together like that. And then this compartment can zip closed to basically separate maybe some formal clothes that you would put in here depending on how you're traveling, and then you can put other things over here that maybe are more casual clothes, just to be able to separate and organize what you're packing. Oh, there's two zipper pockets here. This is a very small one, just within this black lining. And then another pretty deep zipper pocket here. And so opening it this way allows you to open the luggage in half like a normal suitcase. So basically you can access that same pocket that we were just looking at this way. And then it allows you to hang some garments over here on this side of the luggage. So this is the same compartment that had the cable with the power, that would house the power bank. And then another zipper compartment over here. This is that front compartment, that bulge. So whatever you would put in here is going to be inside this. You can close up the top half to have some organization and clear compartmentalization. If you throw in a hanger with this garment bag, in this section, there's a place where you can hook in the hanger for the garment bag. And then over here, there's two zipper compartments on the side. And again, you can see here, I have the Alpha 3 tag. It retails for $9.75. And then this clips. But so I actually got this at the outlet for $5.75. That was the reason why I ended up buying this. Otherwise, I would not have paid full price for this luggage, although I do think this would be one of the few pieces of luggage that would be worth its price tag, even at full price, just because of the level of quality and the materials. So this will allow the bag to expand. I believe it's up to an inch and a half or so. So I'm expanding the bag as much as I can right now, and the different color material should show you how much it expands. These wheels are super smooth, better than any other luggage that I've ever used. You can basically move the luggage in any direction that you want. And because there's two wheels on each and they can move independently, it's a very smooth travel experience. Okay, so the handle is one of the things that I usually hate the most on most luggage, in that usually it's very wobbly, and it's a quick way to tell if a luggage is cheap or not. So if it wiggles a ton, usually it's not very good. So with this, it's very smooth going up and down, very minimal effort, and it easily locks in place and doesn't really wiggle. This is the Tumi tracer, where basically if you ever lose the luggage, they can scan it and try and figure out how to retrieve it.
Some of the features that in my opinion make this carry-on luggage worth it are the ballistic nylon material that makes all Tumi products pretty rugged and durable. The organization and pockets are really well thought out. For example, having the battery charging compartment with a zipper connect to the outside of the luggage so that it's still easily removable to go through TSA and airport security. The expansion in the bag if needed, the various compartments on the inside of the luggage depending on what type of clothes you're packing, the smooth handle that raises and lowers easily, and the super smooth rolling wheels and zippers. I think by combining all these features together, which are rare to find all in one piece of luggage, makes it not only a great versatile carry-on luggage, but also one of their best sellers according to their website. To provide some clarity on the price I got the luggage for, they have since raised the price on it from when I purchased it in 2023, when the sticker price was $975. I got it for $400 off at the outlet for $575. Pro tip, if you can ever find anything from the Alpha line at the outlet, it's going to be a good deal, since they usually don't bring the Alpha line to the outlets, since they don't have trouble selling them normally. The salesperson told me that they sent them to the outlets by mistake, and then decided to sell them almost as a test. They obviously were flying out of stock, and I think I got one of the last two left for the Continental size. They only had one international size, and both only came in the same black and blue that I bought. Not all black, which is what I was hoping to buy. At about 41% off, I couldn't complain about the color on an item that does not go on sale. Keep an eye out for Alpha lines at the outlets and in general, since it's among their best product lines. Anytime you can get Tumi at a discount, it's probably a good idea to think about buying one if you need some kind of luggage or backpack. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and found it insightful. Click the like button if you did, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you can see when I post videos next. Feel free to leave comments, questions, and any topics you might want to hear about in future videos to get on track to being financially fit. See you in the next video.